This video I will explain 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and easy way to manage your money. It helps you to understand how to divide your monthly income so you can pay your bills, enjoy life and save for future without any stress. Now we will see what is 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule says you should split your monthly income into three parts. The first part is 50% for needs, which is nothing but essential expenses, which you cannot live without. Second part is 30% for wants, non-essential items that improve your quality of life. Third part is 20% for saving, building your future and paying off debt. These rules help you to create a balanced budget that covers everything in your life. 50% for needs, which is must-haves. These are essential things you cannot live without. Examples of needs are rent or home loan, groceries, electricity and water, transport to work or school, medical expenses, basic clothing. 30% for wants, which is nice to haves. These are things you enjoy, but they are not essential for survival. Examples of wants are eating out, streaming subscriptions like Netflix, new gadgets, vacations, hobbies, and shopping for fun. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is the part you use to build a better future and stay financially safe. Examples of saving and debt repayments are emergency fund, saving for house or education, paying off loans or credit card bills, investing for retirement or future goals. Here you can see the example of 50-30-20% rule. If you earn 50,000 per month after taxes, then 50% of your income, which is 25,000, will go for needs. 30% of your income, which is 15,000, will go for wants. 20% of your income, which is 10,000, which will go for savings and debt. Why this rule is helpful? Easy to follow, no complex math. Balances life, covers your bills and fun, and still saves. Builds discipline, teaches smart spending habits, prepares you for emergencies and future goals. Here you can see the monthly budget template which you can use. You can download this template from description of this video. Here you have to enter your total income. For needs, 50% is allocated. For wants, 30% is allocated. For saving, 20% is allocated. And whatever amount you are spending for needs, enter here. And whatever amount you are spending for wants, enter here. And whatever amount you are saving, you can enter here. At the month end, you can see the total here. And here actual spend will be calculated automatically and it will be entered. Here you can see the difference. The difference is between actual amount planned minus actual amount spent. Now we will see final tips. Always calculate using your after tax income, money you actually getting in your hand. Review your budget every month and make small changes if needed. Start small if saving 20% is hard. Even saving 5 to 10% is better than nothing. Use a notebook or a simple Excel sheet to track your budget.